Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Allure beauty box for May 2019. This box is $15 a month and you get full and travel size products valued between $50 to $90, and then you also get a bonus item if you are a new member. This is definitely one of my favorite boxes. It has a lot of like high-end luxury stuff in here, so I'm always excited to open it up. So let's just get right into it. As always, if I don't know if something is cruelty-free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there. And then I also research the values of everything, break that down, and put that down there too. So yeah, let's just see what we have. Okay, so when you open it up, it looks just like this. We have a little book right here that's going to tell us the full-size values of everything. I won't peek too much into that. I do have, let's see, two things on the outside. It comes in this little bag right here. This is a different style. Normally it has like a little clasp on it. Looks like they got rid of that, and it's got like a little, I don't know what you call it. A little thing to keep the flap down, if that makes sense. Okay, so let's look at the two things I have on the outside first. So the first thing is from Laritzy Cosmetics. They are a cruelty-free brand. This is a lip gloss in the shade Vibe. So here's what it looks like. It's like a, I don't know what the color to call this. It's like a light pinky brown sort of color. I'm not gonna swatch this. I think it's probably too light for me. And I also have a million colors very similar to this, so it's just not my favorite sort of color, so I'm not going to swatch it today. I'm probably just going to put that aside. Let's see though. It does look full size, so let's get a value on that. So the value on that is $20, which seems a little bit expensive in my personal opinion, but I probably wouldn't pay that. So that's my personal thoughts on that, but somebody will be excited to have that, just not me. Okay, so the other thing I'm seeing on the outside is from Tropez. This is a Prep and Maintain Tan Applicator Mitt. So that's kind of cool. I'm not the biggest self-tanning person, and I tan pretty well. I've always had like sort of like an olive complexion, so I tan pretty well. But I do use it on my legs sometimes, so I definitely will try this out whenever I do another self-tan, but like I said, I don't do it very often. But I do think this is cool. It's something very, very different for a beauty box, so I'm not mad about that. Oh, now that I'm looking at the book, there's something that goes with it. So let's go ahead and see what that is. So with the self-tanning mitt, which this makes more sense, we have the Tropez Self-Tan Purity. This is a bronzing water gel. That's definitely interesting. I like the packaging a lot. I've never tried anything from this brand, so I don't know if they're cruelty-free. Interesting. I've only ever tried like the foam self-tanner, so interested to see how a gel would work if this is cruelty-free and I do end up trying it out. So anyways, the full-size value of the mitt with the tanning gel is $44, so it is a little bit expensive. Okay, so let's see. The next thing I am pulling out is some foil packets here. Let's see. So this is from NS, I want to say. It's Anti-Frizz sheets, so portable hair luster sheets with coconut oil and UV protection. Look just like that. I've never heard of this brand either. So I guess the NS stands for Nunzio Saviano, and you can get a box with 15 of these for $18. So a little over $1 per sheet, so I don't think that's too bad. I don't know if I'd ever use these. I do get a little bit of frizz. I normally just use hairspray, but maybe this is something I could keep in my purse. I don't know. I don't know if they're cruelty-free, so I definitely will look into that too and give it a try, I guess. Definitely something, again, very different to get in a beauty box, so kind of like that vibe that I'm getting today. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is from Model Co., which I'm pretty sure they are cruelty free. This is the Eyelite's metallic eyeshadow in the shade St. Bart's. There's the packaging. Let's go ahead and look at this. Okay, so here it is in the packaging. It is very metallic. I'll go ahead and give a swatch on this. Okay, it's very pretty. I do like this. So there it is on my hand. It's very like peachy, sort of metallic. Definitely a color I would wear in my eye, so yeah, excited to have that. And I don't know if this is full size. It is a little small, but the full size value on it is $12. All right, let's see what else we have. Alrighty, so up next I am pulling out something from Laneige. This is the Water Bank Moisture Cream for normal to dry skin. I will go ahead and show you like the actual bottle to see how big it is, but this is not cruelty free, so I will not be using it. Alright, so it's just a tiny sample, and holding it up to the light, it's about up to here full, so it's like half full. So not the biggest sample, but yeah, I probably would just be giving this to a friend. And the full size on that is $35 for 1.6 fluid ounces. So a little bit expensive, but not the most expensive thing I've seen. Alright, I have one more thing in here. Very interesting. So this is, what is this? So this is Lou by Nunzio, which I'm sure I'm saying that wrong. This is the Erase Cleansing, Exfoliating, and Brightening Powder. So there it is. It's like interesting. It almost looks like a bath powder sort of thing. So let's see. So you mix a tablespoon of Erase with half a tablespoon of water to foam to a paste, apply to face and let dry for 1 minute. While still damp, gently massage away. Paste should come off like eraser peels. Interesting. Taking blackheads out and reducing large pores. Add a drop of water to continue erasing if paste dries. Use twice a week or as needed. I've never tried a product like this in my life. Very, very interesting. So the full size value on this is $15, so not too expensive. I don't know anything about this brand, so I can't speak to whether they're cruelty free or not, but very different product, so kind of hoping they are cruelty free so I can try it out. Very interesting. Okay, so that's everything I got in this box. Overall, I think this is the box of like weird stuff. That's what I'm calling this theme. It's like a face paste. I got a tanning gel and a mitt, and then the hair frizz things. And then I got, I'm really excited about the eyeshadow. The lip gloss is probably the only thing I'm not really pumped about just because the color is not something I'm looking for right now. And then the Laneige thing just because it's not cruelty free. But overall, I like this box. I think it's definitely worth the value here. I mean, just this alone is worth $20, so you get your value right back in that. So everything else is kind of just bonus stuff. So I'd love to know what you guys think of this. Did we get the same thing? I don't know if there's any variations this month. I'm not seeing any in the little book that I have, but let me know what you got and let me know what you think of the bag that I got. That's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.